Okay, please do this. Then go to country code, copy all of this information, copy, go to Excel, choose the data, highlight that, create freezepanes, so that you can move like that. Like that. So here I want us to create country name and code. So letter exercise. Like that. Xlookup. Choose this and choose the country. And then next one is our country code. Then close. Okay. Choose country code and country. Okay, now let's say Albania. Okay, code is working. Yeah. Bolivia. Okay. Mongolia. Brazil. Aruba. Okay, something like that. Okay. Now copy. Now here. So now create 5 different countries: Albania, Brazil, Korea, Mongolia. Just copy paste. So yeah, you can do that, and then you can create Russia, Brunei. So yeah, that's it. This is Xlookup.